another one. So if you're wondering why I'm stopping here, assuming I'm still recording, yep. So I'm doing this grand tour with the Glacial Lakes Motorcycle Club, and this here it's Scenic Byways. I lived in Iowa most of my life, and I didn't even know there were all these places down here. Like, I've even ridden through the Les Hills on many different occasions, and I just don't remember these for some reason. There's a ton of scenic byways and loops and all kinds of good stuff. So we're heading up to Murray Hill. I don't know if there's hiking or not. I've never actually been here, so. So I'm at Murray Hill. The trail's got some other name, but I'm wearing motorcycle boots and I'm already thinking this is a mistake. Damn, they're noisy cows. I left my hydration backpack at home because it was leaking all over before I even left. And I didn't stop to get a drink at a gas station. I'm gonna need one after this. A couple of bicycle riders there. That's the road I came up. I apologize for my heavy breathing, but this is for the scenery, not the commentary, so just mute it if you don't like it. So I figure I may as well take you the rest of the way to the top. Now what's scary is this is where you stand for that selfie thing. So you back up real quick to take a selfie and then